Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best zero-turn mowers is probably one of the most important investments a homeowner or professional landscaper can make for maintaining a pristine lawn, offering unparalleled speed and maneuverability that traditional riding mowers simply cannot match, allowing you to cut your mowing time in half and achieve a professional-looking finish with ease, making it an essential tool for anyone serious about lawn care and achieving those perfectly manicured stripes that turn heads. Number 5. MaxPower 561713XB2 Commercial Mulching Blade Set. Experience exceptional mulching with this set of two commercial-grade blades. Designed for a clean 42-inch cut, they ensure your lawn looks its best. These blades offer broad compatibility with many 42-inch Craftsman and Husqvarna mowers. Please verify fitment for your specific model. Easily replace your old blades with these direct OEM equivalents. They are designed to fit seamlessly, matching part numbers like 138498 and 532138971. Each blade measures 21 inches long with a 2.5-inch width and features a convenient 5-point star center hole for secure mounting. Arriving sharpened and powder-coated for protection, they are ready for immediate use. The coating wears off during the first cut, revealing a precision-sharpened edge. What we like. This set includes two commercial mulching blades designed for a 42-inch cut. They are powder-coated for protection and sharpened during manufacturing. If you have a 42-inch mower and are looking for durable mulching blades, this is a great option. What people say. They work great. Nice smooth cut, seems to mulch up the grass pretty good, little flakes of grass blows out instead of long blades of grass cutting taller grass with it. So it's doing its job as a mulching blade. Installation fit like factory blades. They are sharp from the factory and cleanly cut right through a mix of cool season grasses. These blades have done a great job at finely mulching the grass and leaves, as well as evenly distributing the clippings. I highly recommend these blades. I purchased these for the fall season to mulch up my leaves for the winter and added nutrients in the lawn. I tried to stay on top of the leaves, I get a heavy amount all season long, and it worked wonders. Number 4. MaxPower 561738XB Commercial Mulching Blade Set. Upgrade your mower with our MaxPower Commercial Mulching Blade Set. Designed for a superior cut, these blades are built to last. This set includes 3 commercial mulching blades specifically designed for 54-inch Craftsman, Husqvarna, and Poulan mowers. They are engineered to meet or exceed OEM standards. Easily replace your old parts with these blades, compatible with multiple OEM numbers including 187254, 187255, and 532187256. They offer a perfect fit for your equipment. Each blade measures 18 to 12 inches long and 3 inches wide, featuring a 5-point star center hole for secure mounting. They are precision sharpened for immediate use. Manufactured to the highest specifications, our blades are powder-coated for protection during shipping. This coating wears off during the first use, revealing a sharp, ready-to-work cutting edge. What we like. This package contains 3 commercial mulching blades for a 54-inch cut, engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications. If you own a larger 54-inch mower and demand high-performance, reliable blades, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. These blades have done a tremendous job, outlasted the name brand blade by a lot and actually outcut the name brand. They fit the mower exactly as they should and just the feel of the metal and how thick the material gives me confidence. These blades motor right through thick grass. These blades are about double the heft and width of the old Husqvarna blades. I got these put on and got the mower back together and decided to give them a rip around the yard. I dropped the deck to 3 to tackle a soft, muddy spot that I've had to avoid due to over a month of rain every day here in Louisiana. I got it cut with no issue and decided to keep going at the same setting. I made a few passes and noticed it looked very much like my normal cut on the lowest setting. I got these for my Husqvarna mower and I must say they are really built strong and durable. They are a bit heavier than stock blades and over the last few mows, I have not seen any straggling blades anymore. This really chews up the grass and throws it everywhere on my mulching mower. Number 3. MaxPower 561545XB 3-Blade Commercial Mulching Set. Introducing the MaxPower 561545XB, a premium 3-blade mulching set designed for optimal performance. This set is proudly made in the USA. Engineered to fit many 50-inch cut MTD, Cub Cadet, and Troy-built mowers. It replaces several OEM part numbers for a seamless installation. Experience superior mulching with these 3 commercial-grade blades. They are designed to finely cut grass clippings, returning valuable nutrients to your lawn. This set is compatible with a wide range of Cub Cadet, Troy-built, and Craftsman mower models. Please verify the OEM number for an exact fit. Crafted for durability and reliability, these blades ensure a clean and efficient cut every time. Invest in quality for your lawn care needs. Replacing your old blades is straightforward with this set. Ensure you match the OEM number to confirm compatibility with your specific mower. What we like. This is a set of 3 commercial mulching blades specifically for 50-inch cut MTD, Cub Cadet, and Troy-built mowers, proudly made in the USA. If you have a 50-inch mower from these brands and prioritize domestic manufacturing and quality, consider this set. What people say. This mower has a very comfortable seat and a smooth ride. The cutting deck is wide and provides a clean cut every time. It handles hills and uneven terrain with ease. Number 2. MARASTAR 00232-2PK Universal Fit Flat Free Tire and Wheel Assembly. Introducing the MARASTAR 00232-2PK, a universal fit flat free tire and wheel assembly designed for your zero-turn lawn mower. This 2-pack offers a smooth tread for easy turning and minimal turf damage. Featuring contractor-grade, oil-infused bushings and a centered hub, these tires are built for durability. A convenient grease fitting ensures smooth operation and longevity. Our universal adapter kit fits most ZTR mowers with 5 8-inch axles and various hub lengths. Please check your axle diameter, hub length, and tire size for a perfect match. The smooth tread design is ideal for front casters, allowing for effortless turning without damaging your lawn. Say goodbye to the hassle of air-filled tires and flats with this flat-free solution. This 2-pack provides a low-hassle, low-cost solution to upgrade or replace your existing zero-turn mower tires. Enjoy easy installation and minimal maintenance for a seamless mowing experience. Upgrade, repair, or replace your lawn mower tires with this easy-to-install solution. It's designed for your zero-turn riding mower, offering reliability and performance. What we like. This is a 2-pack of universal fit, flat-free 11x 4.00-5 tire and wheel assemblies with a smooth tread. They feature oil-infused bushings and a universal adapter kit for easy installation on most ZTR mowers. If you're tired of dealing with flat tires and want a low-maintenance solution for your front casters, these are ideal. What people say. The MARASTAR 00232 Lawnmower Tire Assembly is a game-changer when it comes to maintaining a pristine lawn. This tire assembly not only fits flawlessly on my lawnmower but also delivers exceptional performance and durability. The rugged tread design provides excellent traction, ensuring smooth maneuverability even on uneven terrain. No more flats. Fit perfect on my Cub Cadet Zero Turn. After years of fighting flats and delaying mowing due to a surprise flat that had to be fixed, plugged, slimed, trying to set the bead on these small rims etc. No more. These are non-flat tires, which means they do not go flat. Huge time saver. They come with addition bushings and spacers to help make them fit your model. They are easy to install. And to be totally honest, I find my mowing to be more even than with the OEM, original made, products. Number 1. Mission Automotive Universal Zero Turn Lawn Mower Trailer Hitch Mount. Simplify your yard work with our Zero Turn Hitch. This robust hitch fits a wide range of riding lawn mowers, making it easier to transport items around your property. Installation is straightforward thanks to its slotted holes that align and secure well on support brackets. It's compatible with most major riding lawn mower brands. Crafted from strong, powder-coated steel, this hitch is built to perform in all conditions. It's ideal for hauling leaves, brush, and branches. Save time and effort by eliminating multiple trips. This hitch quickly attaches to your mower, allowing you to tow carts for various tasks. This hitch features pre-drilled holes for easy installation, though some machines may require minor adjustments. Hardware is sold separately to ensure compatibility with your specific model. What we like. This is a heavy-duty, universal zero-turn lawn mower trailer hitch mount made from rugged steel. Its design simplifies yard maintenance by allowing you to easily tow carts and trailers. If you need a durable and versatile hitch to haul materials around your property with your ZTR mower, this is a solid choice. What people say. The bracket itself is perfect. It is large and beefy and will not bend or break anytime soon. It is very sturdy, but please don't try to move your cousin Bubba's mobile home with it. This is an exceptional product for the money. It's thick, stout, and if you break this then you're pulling too much weight to begin with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.